I love my type 4 hair because it defines who I really am. It signifies that I am not what society believes I should be. That is straight and not unruly. To feed moisture back into my hair, I'll be using Mielle Organics, Pomegranate and Honey, Coil Sculpting Custard to get some definition into my curls. The Coil Sculpting Custard is going to add shine and bounce to my type 4 curls. Because I have low porosity type 4 curls, I'm feeding moisture back into my hair by using hot water that I steamed in my kettle. I previously washed my hair with the Mielle Organics, Pomegranate and Honey's shampoo and conditioner just a few days ago and styled it in a wash and go. As you can see, the Mielle Organics Coil Sculpting Custard is thick enough to give your hair enough hold, and the key ingredient is honey, which is very hydrating for your type 4 curls. And it gives your hair the slip that it needs. Defines my hair to perfection. As you can see, I don't have much shedding because this product does very well with detangling your hair. I use a pick to separate my curls. I love how this product works on my hair and how much volume it gives my type 4 curls.